And welcome to another unboxing video, or should I say in this case unbagging video. We have got some motorcycle jeans here from Norfolk-based manufacturer Hood, and these are the SK11 AAA rated motorcycle jeans. And in case you were wondering, if you order these direct from Hood, you're going to get free worldwide delivery on orders over £100. You'll get free, yes free, leg lengths altered to your particular size, and free UK exchanges. So very much peace of mind when you're actually buying these. Right, without further ado, let's crack them out the bag. Okay, so here we go. You can't see the jeans at the moment because on top we have the D30 Ghost hip and knee armour, which come as standard with these jeans. As you can see here, it's the D30 armour that is very, very slim. So when these are actually in the jeans, you can't notice them and you don't actually feel that they're there. How do I know? Because I've been wearing these now for quite a few months, not this particular pair, but a very similar pair. And like I say, when these are actually in the jean, which they'll be in a minute, you can't see them. But it still offers the fantastic protection that D30 offer. If you don't know much about D30 as a business, look them up. They were on Dragon's Den, and very, very good stuff indeed. Let's get them unrolled. So these are the slim fit jeans, the SK11, available in the black, as you see here, or they also come in a stonewash blue or a dark navy, and they're classed as a soft wash stretch denim. And stretchy they are indeed. Now if you look at the amount of give in these jeans, they're going to fit you, and they're very, very comfortable, which is going to allow for a lot of bending over in these, getting on and off the bike. Perfect. And talking of off the bike, they are super, super comfortable, and you can spend all day in the office with these. You can go out for a beer in them, have a ride on a bike, jump off, go shopping, whatever. They are perfectly designed for on and off the bike. Look at that stretchiness. Now, as these are the slim fit jeans, they're going to be beautifully suited to a pair of urban style motorcycle boots, like these, kind of a trainer style. They do also go over the shorter leg boots, the normal motorcycle boots, but the shorter leg. And of course, any regular size motorcycle boot is going to go over the top of these, no problem at all. So this is what they look like unfurled, and these AAA rated jeans are actually lined from the waist all the way down to the ankles with what's called K-Tech aramid material for obviously abrasion resistance, and they've also got on top of that, which touches the skin, a super ultra comfy soft airflow mesh. Now the mesh is very important. It promotes the airflow inside the jeans, but also if you do unfortunately have a crash in them, what happens is it kind of rolls with the leg to stop you getting any kind of skin rolling type injuries. Very, very good for that. In the main, just very, very comfortable. Now I've just rolled one leg up here, so you can see this is where the aramid material is, and then underneath that there's the mesh that I was talking about. Nice and soft and comfortable, and you can sort of see the pocket straight away here that you delve into to put the armour in. So let's get the armour in and take a look. So these are now inside out, and the Velcro on these stretches from here all the way down to here. so you can get the armour placed just right, exactly where you need it, and that is by literally sticking it to the Velcro that we can see here. So all we've got to do is get the knee armour here and get it flipped on the inside up the pouch onto where we want to go. So we'll do that for this one, and we'll also lay the second one in as well. So I'll just cup it and just pop it up like that inside, and that wants to go about there. There we go. Smooth that down onto the Velcro. Job's a good one. And then it's just a case of popping our hip armour in these little pockets in here. So all we've got to do, get that Velcro open, just get that slipped in and shaped out. There we go, nice and easy. And we'll just close the Velcro, and that's the hip protector in place. Now we're going to repeat it for the other side. Right, all the arms in place. Let's get these the right way around and see what it looks like. Right, so that's our Simon's jeans, now fitted with the armour in the knees and the hips. And you can see here, it's very, very difficult to actually spot this. And trust me, when you put these on, very comfortable. The only thing I will say is, if these have been stored in a cold cupboard somewhere, you first pop them on, those are a tiny bit stiff, but as soon as it gets any heat into them, they just mould to the shape of your leg. And they're absolutely perfect. Like I say, you can spend all day in these on or off the bike. How do I know? Because that's exactly what I do. Commute into work 6 miles in these, wear them all day in the office, commute home. And if you're having a beer or a meal afterwards, no problem at all, because these look like really, really nice jeans, and not, funny enough, the motorcycle jeans that they are. And remember that these are AAA rated, offering the highest level of protection available for this particular garment. And they're nice looking too. Now, Hood do different fittings, do wider fit, perfect sort of jeans for your custom cruiser type motorcycle. I like these because they look like sort of everyday jeans that you would choose off the shelf to wear out and about. Okay, that's the SK11 AAA rated motorcycle jean. Hood Motorcycle Jeans is a family-run business based in Norfolk. Chris and Julie set up Hood Jeans in 1998, so they've been making motorcycle jeans for 25 years. Chris's parents started the jeans thing back in 1955, setting up a company called Motown Jeans. Chris worked at the factory for a number of years, which is where he met Julie, and they left to form Hood Jeans. They're extremely passionate about quality and safety, and from what we've seen so far, these jeans are absolutely fabulous. It's now time for us to put them to the test.